Let's get these crucibles ready so we can start some pours. Today we're using a number 3, which is 4 kilograms, and I believe this is just a number 1, which is a 2 kilogram, or I think it's a 1 kilogram. I don't know. Let's just call it a small one and a big one. So we're going to put these in the oven at 300 degrees as soon as the oven is ready. And then we're going to leave them in there for an hour just to drive any extra moisture out of these. This one's actually got a little bit of damage on the bottom, but not worried about that. Should still work, no problem. So just because the humidity down here is pretty high, we're going to drive all the extra moisture out of them. And then we will put them into the furnace and fill this one about a third of the way full with borax and about half the way full with borax with this one. And we're going to coat the inside of it. That way it holds its integrity a little bit. So I'll show you that. We'll get them in the oven, and then I'll show you afterwards how we do it in the furnace. So here we go. So here we go. We've got them filled with the borax. The small one's about halfway full, maybe a little bit more, and then the big one's about a third of the way full. So I will start with the big one and then put the small one in next. So here we go. So here we go. This is the last one. This is a smaller one. We've already taken that big one out. You guys saw that in the other video. So you just roll it around there, get a good glaze on it, and then dump the rest into the water bucket. Make sure the tongs are nice and hot before you grab the crucible. So we will grab this one out, put it here, and I'll take the other tongs. Let's see there. There we go. We'll take the other tongs and we'll glaze that one. So there we go. We got both of the crucibles ready, prepped and ready to go. So they are ready to melt some stuff in. We're gonna let them cool down on their own. We do have this one still pretty like red hot, going a little bit orange. This one is pretty much black, but still super, super hot. So one thing I will caution on is I'm a pretty sweaty dude when I do this. So make sure the sweat doesn't hit down onto your crucibles, because that can cause a little explosion. So be careful on that. Yeah, we're gonna let everything cool down. We'll come back tomorrow and we'll melt probably some aluminum cans or something, because I got this sweet can crusher. So thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. The voice didn't come through on this part of the video. So like, share, and subscribe as always, and we will see you on the next one. Let's do it.